Hey everyone, welcome to Creative Bath Lab, where I share my passion for DIY bath and body projects. Hey guys, today's tutorial is bath truffles. Bath truffles are essentially bath bombs with extra skin-loving butters. They slowly dissolve, releasing lots of foam and lather. The fluffy foam releases ingredients, creating a moisturizing and relaxing bath. They also create light bubbling as well. The SLSa is what gives it the foamy lather. I also added milk and clay, but these ingredients are optional. I used mango butter, but use whichever one that you want. This is totally optional, but I made some mix very dark to put in the center and then added sea salt and seaweed to tie in with the mermaid theme. Plus, these ingredients are really great for skin. Embellish truffles with mermaid colored glitter for extra sparkle and glamour. I chose a small assortment of glitters, shapes, and foil that accent the mermaid truffles perfectly. Quick tip, only use one, maybe two on a single truffle. It's easy to get carried away, believe me, I know, but this is one of those times that less assortment is more. And since they're all eco-friendly and biodegradable, there's no need to feel any guilt. The truffles dissolve slowly and they last a long time. It's a slow release of moisturizing butter and other beneficial ingredients, and color, and scent. Oh my god, if you could smell this thing right now. I really did enjoy these truffles. By the way, my skin felt soft and moisturized, but not greasy. This is very important to me, so you can rest assured knowing that this recipe does not create a greasy after effect. Also, the water after the truffle was absolutely mesmerizing. It was so pretty. Honestly, the video really does not do it justice. Thanks for joining me. If you're interested in this project, you'll find helpful tips in the description and the supply list at the bottom. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for more creative bath inspiration. Don't miss out on weekly videos featuring fresh ideas and fun bath projects.